All right, guys, here's a cold startup on the stock exhaust system on the Ford Taurus SEL. It's a 3.5 liter naturally aspirated Duratec. So there's that. Nothing real loud. You probably can't see it, but here's what's about to go on there. We got some Magnaflows and some tips. I've got a Resonator, but we're gonna see how loud it is with just the mufflers first, and I'll have that other video later today, hopefully, and in the daylight. All right, YouTube, so I got the exhaust on. Here's what it sounds like. It's got a little more rumble. I guess it does make more sound. I don't know. I'm gonna set it down and just rev it just a little bit. Alright guys, so now the Resonator has been completely removed. This is it here. Kind of heavy. This is what I was gonna put on it, but my muffler guy told me, he showed me I had a crack there, and I was like, well, okay. So we ended up just straight piping it, just straight through on the Resonator. I think you can see this is a straight piece of pipe, and then got the mufflers welded on back here, and it actually sounds really good. There's not much of a drone at all, and I'm kind of glad the Resonator's on there, because not on there because I like it, but that's pretty good. Yeah, so let me know what you think, but I think it turned out pretty good. I may end up putting some bigger tips on here, because these didn't quite fill the gap like I was hoping. They don't look too bad, but I don't know, I may end up changing them out. All right, thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Later.